Welcome back, YouTube. So Ryan's in the final stages of his Nissan. Let me show you the exhaust work. So simple patch back here at the muffler, saving the original muffler assembly, which still has some years left to it, I would say. And trimming off all the stuff that was rattling and falling apart up here off the front pipe. And then Ryan's gonna make up a flex pipe section up here. And he's just mocking up. So flex pipe in this area, and then he'll weld it to the existing material that's still good. I had to cut this back a little further because it was decayed more inside of here. And then this will work out fine. So we saved the customer tons of money here, so that they could take the money that they saved on the exhaust system and then make more safety repairs on the vehicle. So putting the money where it's best spent, you follow me? So instead of being at another shop where you need a whole entire exhaust system, which would be probably $2,000, I would think, I guess $1,500 to $2,000 at Firestone or Pep Boys or Mavis, and then turning that into a few $100s worth of repairs for the exhaust system, and taking the rest of them funds that you saved money on and making safety repairs to get the brakes up to snuff. Thanks for watching.